What's up YouTube, Alvaro here, welcome to the Bilingual Stock Market channel again. In this channel we talk about the markets, you guys already know that, but we do it in English and Spanish so you can pick your preferred language. And in this video, and as I do it Mondays through Thursdays, I want to make a quick stock market update going over what happened today in the S&P 500, which is the most important index of the United States stock market. And I also want to break down from a technical standpoint the three stocks that will be on the top of my watch list for tomorrow's trading session. So let's get started. And today we had very important economic data coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So first of all, retail sales boomed 9.8% in March thanks to a jump in spending at bars and restaurants, and economists were expecting a gain of 6.19%. Okay, so we had a number when it comes to retail sales that was way higher than expected, but let's face it, guys, everyone got a $1,400 check back in March, and people were going to the restaurants, bars, shopping malls, people were buying stuff online, so that pretty much justified this number that was way higher than expected. So the market said something like, okay, that's fine, we got a way higher number than expected, but I get it, everyone got a check, a stimulus check back in March, so okay, let's say that inflation isn't coming up. Okay, that was pretty much the way that the markets read this number. And we had a huge beat when it comes to jobless claims, which came out at 576,000 first-time fillings versus 710,000 estimated by the analysts. So we had a huge but immense beat on jobless claims, and that gave rise to a green day all across the board. The S&P 500 went up 1.11%, the Dow Jones also went up 0.90%, Nasdaq 100 up 1.61%, and the Russell 2000 was the worst performing index out of the bunch, up 0.29%. And by the way, the infamous 10-year Treasury bond dropped today down to 1.5%. So we had a super green day all across the board, except for small cap stocks. So what is going on with small cap stocks? Guys, you need to stop freaking out. We are simply having over here a rotation into other stocks. And why? Well, because these small cap stocks went too far too fast. A lot of people made a lot of money taking a gamble or taking a chance on these stocks, and now they locked in the profit back in February, and they are investing now in reopening stocks, in big tech stocks, or maybe they are investing in cryptocurrency. So stop freaking out. There's no reason to freak out about this. If you are back holding stocks such as Nano Dimension Technologies, Bionanogenomics, Ideonomics, or Virgin Galactic, you have two options. Or you take a loss and you move on and you reinvest that money into other kind of stocks, or you simply hold it back. That's all what you have to do. We will have a rotation back into these stocks eventually. It is going to happen. It can happen tomorrow, it can happen in 2 weeks, it can happen 6 months out, but it is going to happen. All right? So stop freaking out. If you have conviction in these kind of stocks, such as the ones that I just mentioned, so you can take advantage of this super pullback that small cap stocks are having, and you can keep on loading the boat. And we're having a divergence here, guys, obviously, right? The markets are trading at all-time high, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100 and the Dow Jones, whereas the small cap stocks are getting murdered. But that's fine, that's normal. Those are small cap stocks, so they don't move the markets. Case in point, Amazon and Apple represent a 13% of the total market cap of the S&P 500. So if Amazon and Apple pull up, guess what is going to happen? The S&P 500 as a whole is very likely to pull up, all right? Whereas if Nano Dimension Technologies or Bionanogenomics or IDEX pull back, who cares? They don't move the markets, okay? So that's why we're having this divergence between the indices and the markets in general terms and small cap stocks that just keep on bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. But that bleeding is going to stop eventually, guys, and money is going to rotate back into small cap stock, so stop freaking out. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the S&P 500, which reached a new all-time high today at 4173. So I am going to zoom in here on the 4-hour chart, and once again the RSI is picking up. It is at 78 points as of now. So if tomorrow we happen to see a pullback in the S&P 500, the very first level of support that I am going to be looking at is going to be 4121, okay, which already acted as a support in 1 and 2 opportunities. And if that level of support happens, it will be broken to the downside, then the next level of support that I am going to be watching is going to be 4089, 4090, which already acted as a resistance in 1, 2, and 3 opportunities before. So let's see what can happen tomorrow and in the next days in the S&P 500, because it looks like the bulls are going to consolidate above 4100. We might not see a pullback or a major pullback in the S&P 500, as I have been calling out. I would love to see the S&P 500 having a tiny correction down to 3981, which would imply a correction of almost 5%, okay? 3981 already acted as a resistance for the bulls in the S&P 500 in 1, 2, 3, and 4 opportunities before. So this would be a very healthy spot to visit if we happen to see a tiny correction in the S&P 500. And when it comes to the upside, we are once again in no man's land, because the only resistance that I can think about is the new all-time high at 4173. So let's see if the bulls tomorrow can keep on pulling up this index, or if we happen to see some sort of healthy pullback down to the lows 4100s. And the first stock of this video is going to be ticker symbol CAN. And in the case of Canon, this was a suggestion of one of the viewers of our videos in Spanish. This is a Chinese company that is focused on the research and development of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence chips and artificial intelligence algorithms. This company is headquartered obviously in China, in the province of Hangzhou. Supposedly, and this is something that I couldn't confirm, this company is also mining Bitcoin, right? I am not sure about that. I couldn't confirm it. So if any of you knows if this company is actually mining Bitcoin, please drop a comment down below and let me know about it, okay? That is going to be very much appreciated. And in the case of Canon, guys, this stock went down today 6.19%, and it closed today's trading session at $12.73. And take a look at this insanity, guys. This stock was trading at $4.75 back on January 28th. And a month and a half after that, this stock pulled up to $40. This was a 759% move to the upside. Absolutely insane. So right after this stock got to $40, it collapsed. And as of now, is looking very, but very ugly. Canon is trading below the moving averages, and we can see a clear downtrend. This stock is trading as of now 68% of its high. So if any of you happens to know this stock and is bullish on Canon, there you go, guys. This is a very compelling and interesting 68% long-term discount. So I am going to zoom in here on the 4-hour chart. And what's my plan when it comes to this stock? I would like to pick up some shares of Canon at around $12. $12 acted as a lower support for this stock back on April 12th, right? And take a look at this. If Canon happens to visit $12, and if it happens also to find support over there, we might be potentially completing a double bottom formation, right? Remember that a double bottom formation is a bullish technical pattern that suggests a change of trend. So if this stock and as I said before, happens to find support at $12, I might be picking up some shares of Canon, and in that case, my price target is going to be the next foreseeable resistance for this stock at $15.46. $15.46 already acted as a support in 1, 2, and 3 opportunities before, so from a technical standpoint, it is supposed to provide a very important level of resistance for the bulls of Canon. So if we pick up some shares of this stock at $12 or $12.20 and we sell those shares at $15.54, we are looking at a 20% profit, nothing to sneeze at. So watch out for Canon visiting $12.10 or $12 flat and finding support over here. And the second stock of this video is going to be good old Pltr, ticker symbol PLTR. And in the case of Pltr Technologies, you guys already know Pltr, obviously, the company that focuses on big data analytics. This stock went down today 2.32%, and it closed today's trading session at $23.15. So I am going to zoom in here, the 4-hour chart, and I have two possible plays on, or I am thinking rather about two possible plays on Pltr, guys. Take a look. We have a huge and immense resistance coming up for the bulls of Pltr at around $25.80. And why? Well, because $25.80 already acted as a resistance in one opportunity, but it also acted as a support for the bulls of Pltr in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 times before. So from a technical standpoint, $25.80 is going to be a strong resistance for the bulls of this stock. So I'm thinking, if I happen to see Pltr bursting above $25.80 or $26-ish on good volume and momentum, I am going to be picking up some shares of Pltr, in which case my price target is going to be the next or the other resistance that is going to come up for Pltr at $30.25. $30.25 already acted as a resistance for the bulls of Pltr in 1 and 2 opportunities before. So say that we pick up some shares of Pltr at around $26.30 and we sell those shares at $30.50. We are looking at a 13% profit. Or to the downside, if Pltr happens to visit $21.12, which is a price, which is an area that already acted as a support in 1, 2, 3, and 4 opportunities before, then I might be picking up some shares of Pltr, and in that case my price target is going to be $25.80, in which case I am going to be locking a profit of 18%, nothing to sneeze at. So watch out for Pltr, guys, tomorrow, either bursting above $25.80 or $26 each, or paying a visit to $21.30 or $21 flat, which is a very attractive price to pick up shares of Pltr to start any trade. And the third and last stock of this video is going to be good old Nike. Ticker symbol ticker symbol NKE, actually, right? It is not the complete word. And in the case of Nike, this stock went up today 1.07%, and it closed today's trading session at $133.67. So I am going to zoom in here on the 4-hour chart. And listen, guys, this could be a beautiful momentum play. And why? Well, because we have a critical area of resistance coming up for Nike at around $136.50. $136.50 happens to coincide with the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart, but it also acted as a resistance for the bulls of Nike in 1 and 2 opportunities before, but it also acted as a support for this stock in 1, 2, and 3 and 4 opportunities before, right? So I'm thinking, if I happen to see Nike bursting above $136.50, I am going to be picking up something like 50 shares, and if so, my price target is going to be $140.42. And why? Well, because this price already acted as a resistance for the bulls of Nike in 1, 2, and 3 opportunities before, but it also acted as a support in 1, 2, and 3 opportunities also before. So this is going to be another very important area of resistance for the bulls of Nike. So say that we pick up some shares of Nike at $137 and we sell those shares at $140. That is going to be a 2.5% profit trade, right? So this might be a very nice day trade. So tomorrow I am going to be watching Nike like a hawk, and take a look at the RSI, guys. It is at 46 points, so Nike is neither oversold nor overbought. It has momentum, so I think that the moment in which this stock is going to burst above $136.50 is coming up sooner rather than later, so watch out for Nike tomorrow. And with this stock, I am going to wrap up the video. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for hanging out with me once again. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button for me, and remember subscribing to the channel, guys, and remember also to activate the notification bell. We are posting these stock market update videos Mondays through Thursdays, so if you want to get our notifications in a timely manner, you'd better be subscribed to the channel, and you need to activate the notification bell right up there. And remember that this is the bilingual stock market channel, the YouTube channel in which we talk about the markets, but we do it in English and Spanish, so you guys can pick your preferred language. But most importantly, this is the YouTube channel in which we know that the stock market, that the wonderful world of Wall Street, is not for geniuses. It is for entrepreneurs just like you guys and myself. My name is Alvaro, and I will see you guys on Sunday, alright? Because tomorrow is Friday, so no video is coming out tomorrow, but on Sunday we are going to be posting another video. See you guys on Sunday. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you.